youthofgsb audience aga namaskaru. Entrepreneurship Conclave 2023 ajje ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಂತು ಅತ್ತ ಅಮ್ಗೆಲೊಟ್ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಜಲ್ಲ ಸಾತಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮೃದುಲಾ ಗೋಯಲ್ ಹನ್ನಿ GSB ಶಾರ್ಕ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ preliminary round antu 23 applications ailale. She was one of the panel judges who judge these startups. So how do you look at the impact of Entrepreneurship Conclave 2023 on the budding entrepreneurs?
So I think I have organized, participated in lots of entrepreneurship summits, conclaves. It's a good platform because it gives startups a motivation to apply, and whether they are selected, whether they are awarded, they are funded, above all they get very meaningful feedback. So it gives them a chance to get out of the building, which is a convenient platform, because it's very important as a startup that you should be getting continuous feedback on your idea and what you're doing, whether it is on the right track. When you are working on your product, you are sometimes you are convinced that you are making a great product.
Correct.
And you're investing a lot of time, a lot of money sometimes, and you're taking it maybe where it doesn't need to go.
Correct.
So any kind of a conclave which is done, the feedback that you get from the jury members, even outside, if there is from the audience and others,
Yes.
that is a very, very valuable lesson.
Correct.
According to me.
Yes.
And therefore this conclave is like very good. I also want to say that this conclave is organized by Saraswat Chamber.
Yes.
And the Saraswat community, which is a leading business community of our country. And the kind of power that they have because of the big businesses they have created, the big wealth that they have, can be very, very useful to create startups
Yes.
in our country. But it is a very, conservatively silent community. So while, in there, for the Saraswats, they know, but being from outside,
Correct.
and coming from, educational background and outside the community, what I found was that there is so much potential here which is untapped, and the kind of startups that I come across, whether in my college and now I've been in Bangalore for 3 months, the kind of problems they are solving, they can really benefit from the guidance of this community, from the investments that can come from this community. So it can be like a very big thing to open up the startup world in a bigger way before this community. The current conclave brought forth 23 startups, but though we were trying to project that people should apply
Yes.
for this conclave, but I think the nature of the community did not open it up to the audience. If we would have said Silicon Valley conclave or something like that, it would have got thousands of applications and we would have spent many days
Correct.
shortlisting, and it would have been so I think something like that should be done. So first we have to take forth the potential of the community
Correct.
to the public, to the society, and create a sense in the startup community that what kind of support is available here. And then next year when this conclave is done, I feel it can be at some other global level.
Yes. So I'm 100% sure the reach of this conclave has been so massive that the expectation that you have to have thousands of people applying, that will turn into a reality during the next conclave.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think we should start, creating that spirit and the enthusiasm of the audience and the wonderful way the event is conducted.
Correct.
It's so amazing that if we start from tomorrow for the next year, it's
People will
going
start,
to be
responding.
global
There will be a
phenomena.
wonderful response. Yes.
Yes.
So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
you.